Osteopathy in modern era, body's own way of healing. Listening to a patient's body may seem effortless on the outside, but it's actually hard work. With dedication and practice, this skill becomes an integral part of osteopath's entire career. When we work on one part, we're in contact with all parts. We're listening and feeling through one, but hearing the whole. With an open-door attitude, it becomes more than just a unit, it becomes a whole. When a patient visits, they bring their body's physiology for help. Rather than verbal communication, we will learn to palpate and silently examine their body. Using our sense of touch, we allow health to be restored. Instead of words, we listen and understand the body's physiology, practicing the art of feeling and listening to their tissues without speaking. According to Roland Becker, Dr. Still and Dr. Sutherland were students. They spent their entire lives studying the science of osteopathy, and one of the fundamental things they learned was that there is no time in which you can ever quit learning about the science of osteopathy.